Alright, so I took my first trade on Hankotrade's platform, ACT. I just took a small position on GJ, but I'm trying to do my analysis based off trading view here, and I'm just taking the trades over here. That's it. Alright. Alright guys, so we managed to capitalize again on GBPJPY for day 2 on the account, right? We managed to capitalize on the sales that you guys saw played out this afternoon for around 80 to 85 pips. Also, today was my first day trading on Hanko Live's platform, ACT Trader, and I'm telling you, the only 2 problems I see so far, it's just that it's lagging to show you the chart, and it's also lagging when you're closing your trades. That's about it, right? So to solve problem 1, all I do is I focus on trading view, and then problem 2, you can't do anything about it because the platforms are just out now. So just give it time. I think all those little bugs are gonna go away. But I'm not gonna hold you longer. I'm gonna dive over to the video right now, give you guys a quick 1 to 2 minute breakdown, and then I'll show you guys the trades that we closed today, the live trades. All right, so let's go. All right guys, so let's go over GJ real quick, right? So from a structural point of view, you realize that we had series of higher highs and higher lows taking place here, leading up to 188,500 level, which is our major reversal point, right? So once we had that level, we had that retest into this level, right? The moment price got here, we started to see the JPY picking up strength and started to push to the downside. And there's something that I think about that I don't know if everyone think about it too. The dollar and JPY are 2 pairs that whenever markets, most countries are going through economic battles and stuff like that, those 2 countries, safe havens, those 2 countries are usually doing better off than most of the other countries. So I have this theory that if I'm trading JPY pairs, I'm not gonna be really focusing on USD JPY. I'll focus on GJ, EJ, AJ, NZD, JPY, pairs like that, right? Because the dollar and the JPY will always be fighting for strength. So you cannot always make a good decision, but when you're trading, any one of those pairs, the JPY or the USD against any other currency, you can usually, use the index information like DXY and also the Japanese index, which is the JPY basket, right? So as you guys can see here on the JPY basket, back in December 4, let's start the rally off around November 24, which was right around the time the rally right around here started to take place, right around here, November 24. So this is where the rally for the JPY happened. So we had the JPY gaining strength right around the 24th of November and pushing all the way up. And once we had that, that strength picked up in the JPY index, you realize like every pair started to react the same way. So we had that huge fall off. So now we have we had price giving that push here, and now we got that retest on this level here. So that was one of the big reasons to why I went ahead and took the trade, right? So how everybody always say, if you're trading DXY, if you're trading like EU, you can use a DXY to help you make decisions because it's opposite XYZ, right? So for the dollar, the Japanese basket is the same thing. So if the Japanese basket is showing, strength, then JPY is gonna have strength, right? So once I have, structure took place here, if you go on the line chart, you realize we had the reversal here and price came all the way back here. Once we had that retest level presented itself, I was like, if I was gonna sell, this is the only area I would sell from, right? And personally, I missed my entry here, right? But when I went on a lower time frame, I realized that the market was creating some sort of what? Support level, right around here. So I said, if the market is going to be creating this support level here, I'm going to wait patiently to see if it breaks that level while paying attention to the Japanese basket, because you realize we had this beautiful pattern that presented itself. We had price pushing up, breaking these highs right here, price breaking these highs, coming back down to retest. Then we had that rally. So because I understood what the market was doing right here from a pattern perspective, I understood that I had to be patient and wait to see how am I gonna get in on this trade, right? And once I was following this, once the market retested here, the market started pushing, price went up into here, pushed all the way down on the 15, and you know, as you guys can see, we had that rally, right? Trusted it, wait for that break, retest, took that trade, risked 10 pips, capitalized on 79, right? So now the account moved from what, 120 to almost $1,300 in just like 2 days or 3 days, right? And I'm not even risking anything crazy, not going crazy on the risk, just slowly building it up, right? So now I'm gonna go over and let you guys see the actual trades when I was closing them. All right guys, so we're gonna check the account right now. We took a trade on GJ earlier today and we're expecting it to push down. I'm definitely gonna do analysis on that, but we're looking to go ahead and close now and secure our profits. Didn't really go really heavy today, but definitely, you know, that's a win for us. Maybe I'm up, maybe a little bit, I'm not sure. But it's loading. It's my first day trading on ACT2, so that's something cool. Okay, so the account is at 1200. The trade's currently at 300. We're gonna go ahead now and secure profits. All right, we still have a couple pips remaining, but we're gonna go ahead and close. I'm gonna go ahead and close it right now. Secure the profits on this trade. All right, go ahead. My first time closing a trade on ACT. Let's go. Alright, trades closed. The account now is at $1,244. We managed to secure this trade on GJ. Alright, guys, so you see me closing those trades. You guys see my Hankotrade account, my live account, right? Because, you know, transparency is something big that I'm working on, right? But I decided to start an account that's small and grow it all the way up, right? We started from 120, we brought it to 3 something, then from 3 something to 9 something, and now we're at almost $1,300, right? In like 2-3 trading days, right? So as I always say, if you guys want to see more videos from me, see where the account gets or whatever, just make sure you hit that subscribe button, because that's the only way the algorithm is gonna allow me to get my videos out there, right? So as I said, I'll see you guys in the next one. All right.